If you're planning a honeymoon in Bali but feeling confused about where to go, what to do, and how to fix it all in your budget, then this video is only for you. But here's the difference. This isn't just another vlogger's insight video. We have been to Bali 8 times, personally reviewed every spot, and helped 5,000 couples plan their honeymoon here. We know the mistakes people make and how to help you avoid them. So stay tuned because in the next few minutes, I will take you through 8 must-do experiences that every honeymoon couple should have in Bali. Imagine this, your own private infinity pool, jungle views and total privacy for less than Rs 7,500 a night? Sounds impossible, but not in Bali. These villas are the real romantic jackpot. Whether in Ubud, Canggu or Seminyak, you will find everything in multiple styles, from sleek modern escapes to traditional Balinese retreats with carved wood details. Perfect for morning coffee by the pool or a midnight swim under the stars. And once you have settled into your villa, it's time to step out for the most romantic dinner of your life. From poolside setups to beachside candlelight dinners, Bali makes dining an experience, not just a meal. And yes, Indian food and vegetarian options are available everywhere, so no worries there. And speaking of memories, let's talk about the must-visit spots where your honeymoon photos will look like pure magic. Want photos that look straight out of a movie? Bali is packed with jaw-dropping backdrops. Sari Timbul Cafe, surreal, picture-perfect settings made for Instagram. Ulundanu Temple, misty, magical vibes on the lake, especially at sunrise. Tanalot, iconic sunsets with the temple silhouetted against crashing waves. Lempiong Temple, the famous mirror shot that feels otherworldly. Lahangan Suite, sweeping landscapes that make you feel on top of the world. And honestly, that's just scratching the surface. Bali has endless spots where every click is frame-worthy. Go early morning or late afternoon. You'll beat the crowds and capture those dreamy, intimate vibes. But Bali isn't just about photo spots, it's also about culture and spiritual energy you can feel together. Your honeymoon isn't just about beaches and villas, it's about experiencing the soul of Bali together. Explore Tirtha Ganga Water Palace, royal gardens and reflective pools. Besakhi Temple, Bali's mother temple perched on Mount Agung volcano. Tirtha Ampri, a sacred site where couples can take part in water purification rituals. These aren't just sites, they are powerful spiritual places that add meaning to your honeymoon. And after soaking in culture, what better way to unwind than indulging in Bali's most famous ritual, its spa experiences. Couples massages, hot stone therapy, and iconic flower baths await, whether in cliffside resorts or your private villa. Some spas even set you up with ocean views so you can hear waves while you unwind together. It's pampering with a purpose, recharging both body and bond. And if you want something more adventurous than just posing for pictures, wait till you are flying over the jungle together. Ubud is home to the best ones, and we recommend Aloha and Jungle Swing for variety, good pricing and perfect locations. After the thrills, you will want time to relax, and Bali's beaches are pure paradise. When people say paradise, this is what they mean. Nusa Penida is home to beaches that look unreal. Kelingking for cliff views, Diamond for easy swims, and Angel's Billabong for natural infinity pools. These aren't crowded tourist traps, they are hidden gems where you can just exist together. Had some time to relax? Let's take your honeymoon underwater and off-road. Swim with manta rays at Nusa Penida, try sea walking in Sanur, or dive into Carol Gardens together. Prefer staying on land? Hop on ATVs through rice terraces and mud trails. You will come back dirty, but with stories you'll laugh about forever. After the thrills, you will want time to relax, and Bali's beaches are pure paradise. Until all that adventure, slow it down. Stay in your villa, get a couple's massage, or hop over to the Gili Islands where there are no cars, just bicycle, beaches, and pure peace. Gili Tea has nightlife. Gili Meno is all about seclusion. Take your pick. But when you're ready to turn it up again, Bali's nightlife is waiting. Sip cocktails at sunset in Simnyak beach clubs, dance under the stars at Potato Head, or go all out in Kuta at Sky Garden. And the best part? You'll always have your villa waiting for you afterward. Bali is safe and cabs are available till early mornings. And that's the wrap. We have covered all must-do activities every honeymoon couple should have experienced in Bali. But here's the catch. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to get confused about what really fits you. So that's where we come in. Depending on your duration, budget and personality, we customize perfect itinerary. So you will get Bali honeymoon that just feels made for you. If you would like us to create your personal plan, comment Bali below. And don't forget to check the links above for more honeymoon guides. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your partner.